In this video, I will show you how to create a simple FPS character. Character Body 3D already contains movement code on its own. We will add some extra functionality to it. First, go to the project settings, input map, and add the actions you see on the screen using Add New Action. Now that we have written the movement code, it's time for the camera. First, add these two lines of code. The first line sets the speed of the mouse movement, and the second, we define the camera. Inside the ready function, this code locks the mouse to the center of the screen and makes the cursor invisible. The lines of code inside the input function rotate the camera when the mouse is moved. It moves horizontally and vertically. Additionally, it limits the vertical movement to prevent the camera from rotating too much upwards or downwards. In the physics process, this code sets the speed value to 9 when the sprint key is pressed, and to 5 when it is not. So, when the sprint key is pressed, the running speed increases.